Well, hello folks. Albert New here. Yeah, we were fishing off the dock this morning, me and my sweetheart, and she lost her phone down in the water. And we haven't succeeded in getting it yet. It's probably gone right to the bottom, and it's right at by the side of the dock. So she might have to end up getting a new phone if we can't find it between now and this evening. I was just down at the dock then looking to see if I could see it. To no avail, I didn't see it. So we may look again this evening after supper and see if we can see it. I might put my boat out at the side of the dock and try that. But anyhow, enough of that story. We succeeded. I caught 2 trout. Very nice. My wife, my sweetheart, caught 2 trout. But it wasn't big enough to keep. So, but here I am now, just sitting out by the fire. And we got a garbage truck in the background. If you hear that noise, that's a big garbage truck that goes around to the big garbage bins here at the campground collecting the garbage. But yeah, here I am sitting at the campfire. I'm not sure how long I'll be sitting at the campfire because it's another warm day. It's getting pretty warm again, which I'm not complaining because I'm not a good person for cold weather. But anyhow, just thought I'd come on here, and this is our really nice camper in the background. It's 2018, and of course there's my truck. That's a 2013. Not a lot of kilometers on it yet. But yeah, this is our nice, very nice camper. 2018 with air conditioning and everything. Pretty nice. So anyhow, I'm going to sign off now, and just thought I would show you a little video of me sitting here at the campfire. Alright, over and out for now.